In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Google Calendar. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is find the email that contains the event or meeting details. Once I locate the email, I click on it to open the message. Now I'm looking at the email itself, and this could be something like a meeting invitation or any message that contains information about an event you want to add to your calendar. Next, I move my mouse to the top right corner of the email and look for the three dots icon, which represents more options. I click on those three dots, and a small menu appears with several actions I can take with the email. From this menu, I click on Create Event. As soon as I select this option, Google automatically opens a new event page in Google Calendar. Now I can see that the event details are already partially filled in based on the information from the email. If needed, I can edit the event title, adjust the date and time, add a location, or include any additional notes. Once everything looks correct, I move up and click Save. After clicking Save, the event is added to my Google Calendar, and that's it. I open Gmail, opened the email with the event details, clicked the three dots for more options, selected Create Event, reviewed the event in Google Calendar, and clicked Save. The event is now added to the calendar.